Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In this video, I'm going to have some fun with FL Studio. I downloaded some of the sample packs and plugins from this month Beat magazine, and it has some really nice plugins, and one of them is called voltage modulator. So I was playing around with it here in FL Studio and I found a sound that I really enjoy, and I loaded a kick. And this kick, it's a little bit strange the way I did it, because it sounds like a techno track, but the BPMs are all over the place. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to maybe do some track on top of it. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you will have access to more videos, the full videos that I publish here on YouTube. So we'll be able to see everything that I do, all my mindsets, all my mixing videos in Pro Tools, everything. And you will be able to download sample packs and project files. That helps a lot the channel to grow and to give you more and better tutorials. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump to FL Studio. So this is what we have so far. As you can hear, really nice, but look at this. This is a little bit strange, going from this point to this point, and I'm going to show you how. So first, let me show you the plugin that I got. This is called Voltage 2, and it's quite interesting plugin, and has here some racks. I think that's the name that I can, or modules. Yeah, maybe modules is the better name. And as you can see here, we have 3 oscillators, and it's creating this. Basically, I just selected this depressed mode bass sequence patch, and this is what we have. And basically, what I did was I had this drum pattern here, which is basically a 4 to the floor kick. But then it was not, it was too separated. As you can see, it's just, it was not in the correct tempo for a dance music track. So what I did was just add it like that. And now you can see why it's jumping up and down. So I like this. Let me duplicate this so that we have a 4-bar loop. But now we have to match the volume. Okay, I like that. So it's aggressive and hard. So the clap will be something like that, which is quite strange. Okay. I don't think I like this clap that much. Let's keep it just at the end. Actually, we can do like fill each 2 steps, Control Shift and right. And now we have the hi-hats on the right place. Okay, so now let's add some steady separation. So now we have this type of effect here, which makes the hi-hats way wider. And as you can see here, actually one goes before the other one. Okay, so I like that. I like that, so I will keep this. Accept. Okay, let's now move this here. Here, yeah. Okay, so now we have another sound here. And I like it. And actually what we can do is add a little bit of reverb, or maybe a lot. go with circle. Where is it? Moving in circles. Let's keep it quite low, like that. Okay, so... Oh, I like that. That sounds nice. Let me go to a new pattern because this will be a little bit bigger. Yeah, like that. Let's go maybe with 2 sets of this loop, and let's go to a new pattern here, and let's keep it like that, and let's record this. So what I did was go with 2 octaves down, so, and then I go up. I like that. Okay, let's move this to a new channel. So this will be, what should I name this? Let me see the name of the patch. Swarmingtron. Okay, sounds nice, looks nice. Can I put it somewhere here? Swarmingtron. Let's see if I can remember. Swarmingtron. Yeah, this could be actually the name of the song. Okay, I like that. Okay, so let's record that. Or let's see if I can. Okay. I like that. So now let's see. Something like that. Let's add some voices. Let's make this a little bit detuned, maybe 4 voices. Okay, I think this one was a little bit off. Let's go maybe E sharp. Let's see if this sounds nice. Actually G. Let's see if this one sounds nice. Okay, I like that. This one maybe a little bit too much, but let's keep it like that, and we can actually then later change the volume, because this is increasing also the volume. So now I can go ahead and lower the volume after when the sustain is increasing. You can see the volume is incrementing, and we can actually later in the mix stage we could do something like that. One thing that I want to add here, just to have a little bit of a stereo, a low, how can I say, not lo-fi, but a more like a low tape feeling. Let's add something like this here. And let's bring the volume a little bit higher with some dynamics here. Let's go with the Ultra Maximizer just to feel how it would sound with a little bit more gain. to make this. This is too high, but I really enjoy the track. I think it's quite nice. And even though we are at 63 BPMs, this is a little bit crazy for what I usually do. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this track, and I really enjoyed it. It's a nice techno vibe track, and we have a lot of instruments and a lot of elements that we could tweak, as you can see with this ARP synth thing that is going on, and we could actually make it faster, try to make it faster for the build up or even for the final drop, and even open the sustain or play with the sustain, attack, decay, release, all that good stuff. So if you like this video, consider subscribing and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products. Sorry about that. Consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt, or become a premium member, and you'll have access to the full video with no cuts, and you can see everything that I did for this beat and also for the past instrumentals and all the past tutorials that I have. And actually there is also extra tutorials in the premium membership, and you will be able to download the project files and also exclusive sample packs just for members. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this track, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.